Now more than ever is the opportunity for us, you and I, to unlock and uncover who we are. Look at our true potential. Yes, it's common sense to go out, get a job, generate an income. But what happens next in the process? What can we do next? Now, during unprecedented times, take a look, self-discover, work out, given the time that we have on our hands right now. From a future perspective, in your mind, what would be your prime source of income? Now, a friend of mine the other day referred me to a superannuation asset calculator, and from what I can gather is, and you may disagree or agree with me, that we should anticipate at least $1.4 million in retirement. So, compared to the present and the future, what can we do differently today? How can we avoid any more risk at the present? What are your experiences at the moment? Please share. Let's talk. Thank you.